Yes, I am currently a student at Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. I am studying in the English Education Department. Right now, studying English is my main focus, and I'm learning both English skill and teaching knowledge for my longevity for my future career. Definitely, the decision was mostly made by myself. I choose English education because I have an interest in English since I was in high school. And also, I believe that English is important and has many opportunity in the future career, especially in education in Indonesia. Honestly, I'm not really good at making decisions. Sometimes I need a lot of time to be sure about myself, about my own choice. I often feel like doubtful and overthinking and think too much before deciding something. Definitely not always. Sometimes I make the right decisions, but sometimes I realize that my decision is not always the best one. I still learn from my mistake and try to improve my decision, like making step by step for decision that uh, good from the ending. So for this question, in my opinion, it is normal for people to change their minds after making a decision. People are not perfect, and situations can change every time, everywhere. I also experience this myself. Sometimes I change my decision in the middle of process because the situation affect my choice. I think the most important things is learning from our experience. So for answering this question, an important decision I hate to make was choosing where to continue my study after junior high school in 2021. At that time, I wanted to study at senior high school, but unfortunately, I was not accepted because my academic score and achievement were not high enough. I felt like disappointed and confused because I didn't expect that situation happen. But my mom helped me a lot in making this decision. She gave me an advice to enter vocational high school or SMK. She told me not to be too sad and asked me to choose a major that I really like so I could uh, enjoy my school life. Thinking about it, I decided to enter an SMK and choose the broadcasting major. So looking back, I think I made a right decision. At first, I was like worried and thought that studying at SMK would be difficult and not enjoyable. However, the reality was different than I think before. The broadcasting major was better than I expected. I learned many interesting subjects such as like photography, video editing, and basic media skill, something like that. And I also met many supportive friends who helped me grow and feel more confident, and we are become family. For me, this decision for joining SMK was very important because uh, it changed my way thinking about failure. I believe not being accepted into senior high school wasn't the end, but maybe it was the best path chosen by God for me. Through this decision, I learned to accept situation, be grateful, and make the best of every opportunity that given to me. For me, I think making decisions right now is harder because we have too many choices. Like, for example, young people have many options like in education, career, and even lifestyle. Sometimes having many choices makes us confused and afraid of choosing the wrong one. In the past, choices were more limited, so people didn't overthinking too much. And that, in my opinion, young people today have different types of decisions compared to young people in the past. Right now, we need to think about technology, social media, and global competition. Young people must decide not only about school or work, but also about like skills, personal branding, and future plans. In the past, life decisions were more simple and stable more than right now. There are many advantages of asking for other people's advice. When making a decision, other people can give us something like different perspective that we may not think about. They also have more experience, so their advice can help us avoid mistakes. However, the final decision should be still be ours. Yeah, I think some people are better at making decisions because they are more confident and have more experience more than us. They also know themselves well and understand what they really want. People who are calm and not easily panicked usually make better decisions more than the people got easily panicked. So I agree that we learn by making mistakes. Mistakes really teach us about valuable lessons and help us grow up. If we never make a mistakes, we will not understand the consequences uh, from of our decisions. For me, mistakes are part of learning process in life. I think that's all. Thank you very much for